Nine, nine. Hi, baby.
This. You are not even 6 weeks, baby. This is not normal, baby. You don't need to walk yet, baby. Wash it down. Get that spine nice and good. Do you have to burp? Is there any burps in there, baby? No? Okay, let's rub their back. Hey, rub their back. Hi, pretty.
Blessed day. We're going to do our family photo shoot. Super excited. I did some black dress because mom life. I'm only 2 weeks postpartum, so yeah. Baby girl, my firstborn. Hey, Jacarliana. Sleepy. Sleepy. I love you so much, baby.
I only took out just the broccoli and the snap peas and the bell peppers. I'm gonna keep the carrots for another dish. So that's how we're looking. I just put the potatoes. It's these potatoes. And I'm gonna put the Hawaiian pineapple mixture on top and pop this in the oven for about 35 minutes. We'll see how it does. If I need to scrape off the veggies, I can. I have another pan ready for that. And let the chicken just thoroughly cook. Beautiful toddler, just expressing big feelings, and it's okay. It's alright. She's eating with Dada. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this over. Perfectly won't spill. Let's see. Looking good. Looking good. put the pizza pan underneath just in case the juice travels, but I think we're gonna be okay. It's like a Hawaiian chicken barbecue skewer, but a sheet pan dish for my family. So, yay. I didn't put any seasoning on the potatoes because the chicken has so much. My prayer is that once we scoop it to the plate and I kind of chop it up, maybe it'll like get seasoned. But of course I can like top it off later. And I still got some salt left over for like when we serve. So yeah. The pineapple look like chicken. Are you enjoying some side time? It's supposed to be tummy time, but oh, look at you in the cloth diapers. We're gonna try them out and see if you like it. Are you liking Winnie the Pooh? Hi, princess. Hey, princess. Hi. You're so beautiful. Okay, you just rolled over though, because you were on your side and now you're on your back. What is going on here? Sweetheart, you're only 5 weeks old. Kick, 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 kick. Oh boy, sweetheart. Kick, kick, kick. Stretch. Stretch out. Stretchy. You're so beautiful. Yeah, baby. Stretch those legs out. Yes. Good job. Get you nice and good tired for a good nap. Work those legs, girlfriend. Yes, ma'am. I can't believe your sister used to love this thing. And this is like so small, but you make it look so huge. But it's really not that big of a playmat. It's amazing how tiny you are. Oh my goodness, my sweet muffin. Hi, Janila. Hi, Lanai. You sweet girl. Mommy, come right here to you. Hi, baby. Hi, muffin. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, baby. Nai. Hi, baby. You see mommy? Hi, pumpkin. I can't wait to show your daddy this footage because we're getting you to smile more. Hi, muffin. Janila. Hi, sweet girl. Mama's baby. Hi, baby. Hi, muffin. Janila, you are working those cloth diapers, girlfriend. Yeah. Hi. You're so beautiful. Hi, pumpkin. Mama's baby. Jesus loves the little children. All the children of the world. Jesus loves the little children. All the children of the world. Are you blowing bubbles? Are you blowing bubbles? You kick, kick, kick. You work it out, girlfriend. You work out those feet, girlfriend. Work it. Hi, sweet muffin. I love you. This was such a fun time. You're doing good. Now, let's get you to go back on the tummy. It's supposed to be tummy time, honey bun. But back time, you know what? Moms might be the new thing, back time, You're so content. Hi, pumpkin. Hi. I love you. Hi, baby. You got some gas, I see. Hi, sweet muffin. Get the gas. You get the gas, I'm a sweet muffin. You just a sweet baby.
Okay. Oh, you got eyelash. Eyelash. Oh, well, I'm sure we'll drink the eyelash, baby. You see the light? Would you like your pasty back? Okay. Is there some more gas coming out? I can help you get some gas out. You want me a massage? Does that feel good to the baby? Yeah. Is there any more gas coming out, baby? Yeah. Mama Shoo-Hoo-Hoo. You are just turning, man. Alright, let's go and stand up. You like to stand up, so. I don't understand it. You're 5 weeks, but I don't understand this. I do not understand this at all. You are 5 weeks old. But you'd like to do this. I don't understand why. 1, 2. You like this. You are not even 6 weeks, baby. This is not normal, baby. You don't need to walk yet, baby. Wash it down. Get that spine nice and good. Do you have to burp? Is there any burps in there, baby? No? Okay, let's rub their back. Hey, rub their back. You feel better? Just sit. I'm gonna sit down and look at the poo. Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Where are you going, my baby? Sit this way. Yeah, I gotta get that spine nice and strong, baby. Your hair is so gorgeous. Alright, my love. Why are you standing? What in the world, my boo boo? You don't need to stand yet, baby. You can sit down. Okay. You are very strong. Can you sit down, baby? Okay, thank you. What do you see, baby? You like the colors of the couch? I love spending time with baby. Do you like the shape? I see a flower. Do you like the shape? I see an elephant. Do you like that? Lion. Yeah. Look at those toes. Oh my goodness. Look at those toes. Oh, wiggle the toes. You wiggling the toes. Mm-hmm. That was a lot of work, huh? Yeah. That was a lot of work. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you so much for nothing. You wanna go play with Sissy? She's doing a good job in her room. You wanna go play with her? Oh, I see a hangnail. Let's get that bad puppy. Can I get that? I see a hangnail. Let me get that puppy. Is that what was bothering you? Okay. I already got it off, so I think you're just tired. Yeah, you're just tired. Okay. Well, we can go night-night because you're just leaning over. So, let's go take a nap. You say bye to Winnie the Pooh and to the wonderful people. You say bye-bye. Okay, that's how you say bye? So let me get this straight. Okay, I grew up with these options, like this. This is what I grew up with, right? What is going on? Look at this. The kids, are you kidding me? They get Cinnamon Toast Crunch oatmeal? This is not fair. They get Trix oatmeal, Cocoa Puff. What in the world? I don't know about this. I don't even like that cereal. But are you kidding me? Why do I want to try this? This is so cool. That's not fair. Not fair. Wow. The joys of nursing. So grateful. It's a blessed bond. I love this breastfeeding pillow. It's a blessing. Such a blessing. But her latch is so good. I'm gonna try to do a whole video, guys. She's 5 weeks old today. And she's been having longer stretches and definitely growing. She's not sleeping through the night, but we're getting bonding and cuddling, growing, learning together. But it's the best feeling in the world to be her mother. God is so faithful. Hey, Nene. princess. Hi, baby. Hi, mama, sweet girl. You just ate really good, baby. Hi, Nanai. Hi, baby. Janila. Mama, sweet girl. Hi, princess. Hi, princess. Nanai. Hey, Nanai. Oh, my goodness. What you see, baby? What do you see, princess? Mama's a princess. Hi, baby. Hi, sweet girl. Oh, my goodness. Look at that face. Hi, pumpkin. You're so beautiful, baby. So take you to get to the end of the barbecue chicken pizza with a barbecue pasta salad. Yummy, yummy.
I'm not know how many bites, but each bite was good.
Praise the Lord. This is cute. I still gotta get better at parting, but it's kind of tough to do that with a toddler that's into everything. But I love it. Hey, she's a blessing.